Now I am continuing this earlier videos. This is the 9th question in the similar series. This is about the cylinder. See the question what it shows. Make the isometric drawing of a cylinder of base diameter 25 mm, the axis 40 mm long. So how we have to do it? So whatever the solid they are asking, first we have to draw in orthographic view. This is the orthographic view what they are drawn. So draw the XY line over here. In the XY line, below XY line, we have to draw the top view is the circle. This is the circle. And circle when we are seeing the cylinder, when you are seeing in front, it is appearing as a rectangle like as this. The height of the rectangle is 40. The diameter of the circle is 25. Now this cylinder which is appearing as a circle in top view, we have to incorporate in a maximum rectangle or otherwise square. Being it is a circular one, we will get in a rectangle square like as this. This square we have to draw an isometric view. So draw the reference line. On the reference line, this is the reference line. On this reference line, you take this AB on 30 degree line. BC, you take it on 30 degree line like this. So you construct this square here. This is the square we are getting. Now once we are getting the square, we know how to construct the isometric view of a circle. You use the same procedure what we did it in earlier questions. You construct the square in isometric view, you are getting the ellipse like as this. So inside just see it is a hidden line, outside thick line. So you are getting the maximum circle over here. Then from this point, measure the height of the this cylinder. We know he has given directly it is 40. Take 40 here. We construct one more same square here and construct same circle like as ellipse we are getting. Now entire thing is visible here. Now how we have to join from extreme edges. The extreme edges how you have to join is, you join extreme point on the circle from top to extreme point on the bottom. This is the extreme points. So this is also extreme point, join it like this. So we are going to have cylinder. When it is resting on its circular base. Sometimes he is asking when it is resting on one of its generating line, so it is on side when it is resting like this. How we have to do it is, draw this sides 40 on this line, and this 25, this circular length we have to draw it on the side line. This see how we have to do it. This is take 60, this is whatever it is. You take 30 degree line. Now construct this circle like as this, vertical. We know how to draw the circle in different planes of the cuboid. When we are seeing from side, when we are seeing from top, and when we are seeing from other side like this. So this kind of ellipse you have to construct. From here, measure the distance of 60. Construct one more ellipse here. Join these extreme points here. We are going to have the cylinder which is resting on the one of the resting on its what is called horizontally. When it is resting on horizontally on the plane, it is resting on one of its base vertically. This is how we have to do it about this question. Now coming to another question here, draw the isometric drawing of a cone of base diameter 30 and axis 45 mm long. Use the offset method, no problem. See how I am drawing here is, first of all we have to construct the cone having the base diameter. Base diameter is given 30, so draw the 30 mm diameter, and you extend the line projection, construct the cone having the axis of 45. So the axis center, from center you project it and draw the representation of the axis, complete this cone. Now one is the position when it is resting on one of its circular base, and is when it is resting on cone side. So this is first we will look after when it is resting on one of its circular base. So construct this square circle by incorporating a square here. You draw the square here by taking some kind of reference here. Draw the circle here. The circle we know appearing as a ellipse. You construct the ellipse, this one. Now from this point we are getting the center of the circle. By joining this corner to this corner, this corner to this corner, we are getting the center point. From this, measure the height of this cone. Measure the height of the cone is 45. Take the 45. Join these 2 points. Extreme corner of this cone, extreme corner of the circle here, which is looking as a ellipse. Extreme corner of the this bottom circle, which is appearing as a ellipse here. You join it. So now it is visible as a cone. But you see the bottom portion we have to make it dark, and here we have to make it hidden lines. Then other situation is, draw the circle in the position what I am explaining in the previous question. This circle we have to do it. See here, the vertical 30-degree line, and likewise you construct this rectangle like as this. So in that you incorporate the circle like as ellipse. From this point, you take this axis line on 45-degree line. This is the axis line on 30-degree line. You draw the reference line, make it 45. You measure the distance of axis length. Measure the length of axis is 45. So now this point we know it O. Join to extreme point of this circle. Here also join it the last point. So we are getting like as this. So this is how we have to complete the code. Thank you.